Ukrainian aerospace company AeroDrone has developed cutting-edge aircraft-type drones that are reshaping military operations. The E-300 enterprise drones, with an impressive range of up to 100 kilometers, are striking deep behind enemy lines, marking a significant leap in drone technology. These drones have become key players in modern warfare, capable of altering the course of military strategies. The E-300's operation relies on a sleek aerodynamic wing, efficient engine, and advanced navigation systems. Once launched from a ground platform, it autonomously follows a pre-programmed route, all while maintaining secure communication even over vast distances. With a flight altitude of up to 5,000 meters, the E-300 remains nearly invisible to enemy air defense systems. It can carry a 300 kilograms payload for both reconnaissance and strike missions, and its long-range fuel tanks provide a flight range of 100 kilometers, ensuring a maximum endurance of up to 23 hours. The drone's maximum speed reaches 150 kilometers per hour, and the parachute landing system ensures minimal damage during emergencies. AeroDrone's D-80 Discovery is a lighter, more versatile model, designed for both reconnaissance and precision strikes. With a range of up to 800 kilometers and a payload capacity of 80 kilograms, the D-80 Discovery is flexible for a variety of military operations. AeroDrone's drones are customizable to meet specific operational needs, with prices ranging from $250 to $450. Built-in systems, from cameras to countermeasures, can also add significant costs, making them tailored for any mission. The future of these drones looks promising, with potential advancements in autonomy, artificial intelligence integration, camouflage, and energy efficiency, ensuring even greater operational capabilities. Both the E-300 and D-80 have already demonstrated their effectiveness in the field, proving that Ukraine is not only defending against aggression but also leading the way in military technology innovation.